I'm Lorraine Ballard Morrow. I love getting my hair done. I love makeup. In fact, some people might consider me a little bit addicted to the beauty world because I have a whole drawer full of lipstick. Nevertheless, many of us want to make sure that we look the best that we can, but sometimes we don't have time to do that. We're busy, right? We've got families, we've got work. There is a company that is trying to help women like us be our beautiful selves, and that company is called Zen Beauty. And joining us in the studio is Zakia Black. She is one of the co-owners of Zen Beauty. I want to first of all welcome you and tell us a little bit about your concept. How did you come up with the idea of being a mobile beauty team?
Well, thank you, Lorraine, for having us here today. And the idea really started with Nirvana and I just being busy ourselves. We're both attorneys, and we were working at a law firm here in the city. Late hours, long nights, with very little time to meet our own beauty needs. And one of us would come to the office the next morning kind of disgruntled about the fact that our hair wasn't exactly how we wanted, or, you know, we had a date or an event that upcoming evening and we just weren't sure how we were going to get ourselves all beautified. So we started putting pen to paper and just really thinking about what would work for us, what would make our lives easier. And that's sort of how we birthed Zen Beauty, is just what we wanted and what we needed.
Tell us what you do exactly.
So we're a mobile beauty services business, which means we will come to our client's home, office, hotel, pretty much anywhere the client is located, where, you know, if you're getting your hair done, where there's a water source. Makeup is easy. We can do that anywhere. And we provide beauty services, hair and makeup, where you are. So that's the core of the business.
Tell me about your typical customer.
Our typical customer is just a busy woman, whether that's a busy mom, a busy professional, someone that's very limited on free time, doesn't have time to spend hours in a salon, often doesn't have time to make appointments way in advance, which often salons will require advance appointments. And I don't know what my schedule is going to be from day to day. It's always changing. So it's difficult to know 3 weeks from now that I'll be able to make a hair appointment or a makeup appointment. So we offer the flexibility that if that morning you realize you have an appointment that evening or a date or an event, you would be able to call us and just give us 6 hours notice, and we would be able to accommodate your needs.
So would you be able to do the full red carpet look if someone desired?
Yeah, absolutely. We do full hair services. We do wash and style. So we don't provide cuts or color, things that require us bringing chemicals into someone's home or office or a lot of extra equipment. But we will wash and style your hair from start to finish. And we'll do full face makeup, including lashes and all the things that women love to make ourselves look glamorous.
How do you compare to salon services in terms of the price?
We think we're pretty comparable. So we took a look at a lot of the really nice salons in Center City, Philadelphia, and in the surrounding areas, and looked at their price point, and we're right on par. So for a wash and set, we're $65, and for full face makeup, it's $80. And there's upcharges for things like deep conditioner, basic trim, lashes. We really want it to be affordable. We didn't want this luxury, what we feel is a luxury, to have someone come to your home, to be something that was unattainable. We wanted your average woman to be able to afford these services.
This is quite a departure from where you came from, which is the law. Were you someone who thought, oh, you know, when you were 5 years old, law, that's what I'm going to do?
It's been quite a journey to get, you know, for both Nirvana and I to get where we are today. So I've always been into, as has Nirvana, been into hair and makeup and all things fashion and beauty. And I remember playing with makeup with my mom while she was getting dressed and asking her to let me do her makeup. So it's always been something I was interested in, but I've always been very business-minded as well and analytical, which led me to my career as a lawyer. But my passion for beauty never left me. And so I was trying to find a way to kind of meld the two, my business mind and my passion for beauty and fashion and hair. And that's kind of, I think, this perfect marriage, which we have in Zen Beauty. Being the owners and CEOs, we have to do all of the, obviously, business piece, the business plan, the financials, and all the things that go into running the business. But because it's a beauty company, we do get to be immersed in the industry of beauty and fashion, which is fun in and of itself.
So tell us what your most interesting job was.
Let's see. Actually, we did something and it was featured on the news. But one of the things we really feel is important is giving back. And one of our core values is obviously making women feel beautiful and special. And there was a young girl who had an incident where she was assaulted on the SEPTA bus. And we had the opportunity to surprise her in her home and do a makeover for her, which we thought was just a great opportunity to make someone feel beautiful and special. And at the end of the day, that's really just what we're trying to do, is make women who are busy, often overstretched with their time, and often don't spend a lot of time focusing on themselves, is we would love to just come in and give you that, 1 to 2 hours of time where you get to focus on yourself and feel beautiful and special. So we got to do that for this young girl, and that made us feel good as well.
That's lovely. And I'm sure that this would be something that would make a wonderful present for somebody.
Absolutely.
So I'm hinting, all my girlfriends, you can definitely gift me with a day of beauty. But nevertheless, if people would like to engage you in a day of beauty and getting their hair done or their makeup done or both or all, how can they get in touch with you?
Well, you can go visit us on our website, which is www.zyn, that's zynbeauty.com. And you can book appointments online via our website, or you can email us at contact@zynbeauty.com. Or if you'd like to give us a call, you can call us at 267-536-5728.
Well, I want to thank you so much for joining us today. I think that beauty is something that so many of us don't have enough time to fully express ourselves. And we've got a company that actually will come into your home and make you all glamorous or make you look good and feel good with hair and makeup. It's called Zyn Beauty. And Zakiya Black, I want to thank you so much for joining us and sharing with us your very interesting and unique idea.
Thank you, Lorraine, for having us. It's been a pleasure.
I'm Lorraine Ballard Morrow.